Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. My name's Gabrielle, hello, hi, and today I am going to show you how to make the ultimate keto cookies.
Hello, we are in the car. Why, may you ask? We are going on an adventure, and where, may you ask? To Sainsbury's. Yes, going to Sainsbury's is an adventure these days. Why? Because everything is closed, because we're in tier 4. Now I know we need to stay healthy and safe, but it's just kind of sad, isn't it? I just look back on my previous New Year's days and I'd be usually really hungover, traveling back from a cool city because we usually go somewhere new, and oh wow, times are different. However, as I am not hungover, I thought, okay, let me be productive and make some cookies. So I need to get some almond flour and some vanilla extracts and potentially a baking tray, because I'm not a domestic goddess. I don't usually bake, and so I just don't have the right utensils. So I'm going to see what they have on offer. As I said, this is an adventure. Let's just have a look and let's just have some fun. Happy New Year's, by the way. 2021. Let's hope it's going to be a big one.
I am back from the shops and I've got all of my ingredients. When I say I am buzzing for these cookies, I am buzzing like a bee. Right, so the first step I need to do is to preheat the oven. I am in fact using a recipe for these cookies, so of course if you want to bake them yourselves, then I'll leave it down below so you can know all of the grams and all of the specifics and all of that jazz. So it says I need to preheat it to 180 degrees Celsius. So let's do that and then I'll show you all of the ingredients. Okay, so here are all of the ingredients that you need to make these incredible cookies. I went ahead and got my baking tray. Unfortunately, Sainsbury's didn't have any almond flour. So I improvised. I can think on my feet, and I had to get these chopped almonds, and what I'm going to do is just blend them up and then they will turn nicely into almond flour. So that is one little tip for you if you don't have almond flour. Now these bits, this is a sugar replacement and this is life. I've also made the most incredible brownies with this fake sugar, so it's called Xylitol. And fun fact, it's actually, believe it or not, made from tree bark, which is just like, that blew my mind. That is wild. So it's a natural sugar called xylitol, and I got this from Amazon. So I will leave that link down below as well. And then you also, you don't have to have this. This is actually the first time I've used this, but it's something called xanthan gum, extra fine. I have no idea what it is. Literally, I couldn't even guess right now, but these are popular in recipes. However, the last time I made these cookies, I didn't actually use these, so whatever. And then I forgot to get baking powder, and so I'm having to replace it with bicarbonate of soda. If you don't have baking powder, then know that this is 3 times stronger than baking powder, so just do only 1 teaspoon, as this recipe requires 3 teaspoons of baking powder. I hope that makes sense. We have got salted butter there, we've got the baking bowl, and then for the chocolate chips I am using 85% cocoa dark chocolate. So this is really important, to get a dark chocolate at high percentage of cocoa. Why? Because it's keto and we don't want too much sugar. Alternatively, you could buy on Amazon like a sugar-free chocolate or something like that. So we've got an egg, we've got some salt. I mean, it's not too many ingredients when you think about it. Like, that's just pretty simple, and these are mostly natural ingredients. Like, look at that, we've got tree bark, fantastic. We have got almonds, brilliant. We have got cocoa, that's natural. We have got an egg. Like, yeah, it's very, very, very simple. Okay, so it's come to fruition that I don't have any scales. I mean, how on earth could I call myself Mary Berry if I don't have any scales? But it's okay, we're going to stay positive, okay? I'm just going to view this like a challenge, perhaps I'm on a cooking show, okay? And I've got to make these amazing cookies. Just use my brain. Like, I know what half a cup of butter is, I know what 100 grams is, so it's fine. I am going to improvise, and I bet they still come out 10 out of 10, I'm not going to lie. I just believe. I believe in myself. This is what we have to do in this day and age. Believe! So, I need to melt the butter. I am a bit of a lazy chef baker, would you say, because this recipe has told me to melt half a cup of butter in a saucepan. Can't be bothered for that. Microwaves were invented for a reason, so I'm guessing my half a cup of butter. By the way, I've already washed my hands and everything like that. COVID-19 and all. Right. Is that half a cup of butter? Will it focus? Will it focus? Gonna guess on that one. Melt away, melt, simmer. Do. Right, next step. Place the melted butter and the xylitol into a mixing bowl and beat until combined. So I need 3/4 a cup of xylitol, which isn't actually much, 3/4 a cup. So a cup is like that, isn't it? So I would just do that much. Oh, I can hear it sizzling. I can hear it sizzling. It's getting exciting. The cookies are on the go. And now my hands are all greasy from the butter that I can't open this xylitol packet. So I'm having to snip. This also is insane because say if you are just really, you've got a sweet craving, and let's be real, it does happen on keto. Yes, keto fills you up, but sometimes you do get those sweet cravings. Pop this into like some yogurt or on top of some fruit, and it just really satisfies your sugar cravings. Xylitol. What do we think? Can we see that? Oh, can we see that? I mean, yeah, I'm sure that'll be fine. Right, next step, I need to add in the vanilla extract. By the way, this isn't keto friendly. I have no idea how much sugar in this. I'm not that strict, but if you're on super strict keto, then I would definitely advise going on the internet to find some sugar-free vanilla flavouring, because definitely don't think that this is going to be sugar-free. Right, egg. How cute are eggs? I always think that I look like eggs. Like, look. I'm an egg, especially when my hair's pulled back as well, like no makeup. I'm an egg. Right, okay, let me add these ingredients into the mixture. I'm sorry, but I actually did a sick job of cracking that egg with one hand. Wow, I was worried that I wasn't going to be Mary Berry, but clearly I am. Gosh. So I'm just stirring the mixture away. Look, that is looking juicy. And then I need to add the almond flour, baking powder, xanthan gum, and salt. This is my trusty blender. This thing is live. You can blend up vegetables to make soup. You can put anything in here, okay? So let's put in the almonds. Pour those in. Here we go. You can come over and see. Oh! Only me would have to get silly with it. And now I've got chopped almonds on the sides. Why would I do that? Why would I? It's just like, I go too silly. I really do. So now I have to do tidying unnecessarily. Baking powder, xanthan gum, and salt. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix the mixture. This is making me really very dizzy. So here's my chocolate, and it might be a little bit hard with one hand, but literally you just chop. It's quite simple. You just let all of your aggression out, all of your anger towards Corona. So there we go. Hey, off you pop. Let's hope we don't make another mess. Woohoo! It's like a slide. Woohoo! I've just mixed in the chocolate, and look at that cookie dough, people. Wowzeroonie! So another thing I don't have is grease-proof paper. It is fine. Once again, I am improvising, and I've just got some butter here. I'm putting it onto some kitchen roll, and then I'm going to grease up my baking tray. Wow, 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 wow. They are looking so cute. Look, that is my first mixture. Oh, are you going to focus? Are you going to focus? There we go. Here they are. Wow, I'm like a proud mum. They look so cute. This one here is a little bit big. This one is absolutely perfect. This one, he's okay. And then this is the wild, crazy brother. Right, let's pop them in the oven. Oh, goodbye. Alexa, 10-minute cookie timer.
Cookie timer, 10 minutes.
Starting now.
Your cookie timer.
The cookies are ready! Alexa, stop. Let's have a look. Here they are. Oh my. Let's just do a little close-up ASMR style vibe. Look at
the squidginess.